amazing wilderness. It's insane. Wow, मस्त लग रहा है, दारुण লাগছে।
दारुण লাগবে না?
সত্যি দারুণ লাগছে।
এই দিখানে তো বলা मैंने।
So now we are in a Mulkharka village in Sikkim, but it has been raining from morning to till now. Even it's going to be evening, I think. Some hours left, but it has been almost whole day rainy and rainy. And this is the view behind after the rain, after the heavy rain. So hello, I'm Shaumik Das, and I hope you will enjoy this video with me, this journey. So our destination presently is Mulkharka in Sikkim. Let me show you another thing. Cherry blossom. But the place is very green, very green. Look at the sceneries down there, the movement of the clouds, everything. It's feeling amazing, refreshing, and it's a beautiful path all around, you can see. And this is what my work and passion is, to bring you audience to the uh, core of the nature as much possible. But still this place is very beautiful, and looking to go forward to more beautiful places for sure. Mulkharka is a remote village in India in the border of Sikkim and West Bengal, mainly in Sikkim. It is famous for its Mulkharka lake, which is famous for clear mirroring reflection of Mount Kanchenjunga. It acts as a mirror of Mount Kanchenjunga. It is considered to be a very sacred lake as per religious beliefs. The approx altitude of the Mulkharka lake is 7,000 feet to 7,500 feet. As if it's like as the beard of this mountain, this hill, sorry, fern leaves. For going to Mulkharka, at first from NGP station, we went to Kalimpong in the halfway, and after that we went to Rangpo, and from there to Mulkharka. We took a direct taxi from NGP to Mulkharka. Into the kingdom of greens, fern, into the kingdom of the greens covered by the clouds. Wow, मस्त लग रहा है, दारुण লাগছে।
दारुण লাগবে না?
সত্যি দারুণ লাগছে।
এই দিখানে তো বলা मैंने।
It's exciting and very much pleasing.
वीडियो है? हम की इंग्लिश में मत देखो।
एक मिनट जी। And he is our tour guide and owner of our homestay,
सोनामला होमस्टे।
सोनामला homestay.
और मेरा नाम है सोनाम सिरिंग तामाङ।
बहुत अच्छे है, খুব ভালো দাদাটা। এখানে আসুন সবাই মুলখারকা ভিলেজে, এনজয় দ্য প্লেস, অফবিট প্লেস এনজয় করুন। আর এনাদের মনে হসপিটালিটি গ্রহণ করুন। Look up there. Probably a cherry blossom over there. So it's getting dusk, and before dusk we must reach. Evening's darkness mixed with the greeny nature of the leaves, mixed with the moist breath and smell of the rain. And slowly the rain is coming again. After that, we went to Darjeeling from Mulkharka village and then NGP to our home with some amazing memories. At last, we were able to see Mount Kanchenjunga from Darjeeling. I am thankful to you all for giving your time to this video. I will be back again with some other video. Till then, goodbye for now.